First grade ESL students, it's Mr. Caesar back again with some more activities for you to do. All right. First slide, of course, is speaking. Telling an adult or a sibling, what do you see in the picture? What are the colors? What are the sounds you would hear? And the shapes and feelings? What are they doing in the picture? Do you know what it's called? Why do you think they're doing it? And what do you think they will do next? All right, so the next series of slides are some sight words. And what I want you to do is to run through all of these words that I have and then rewind the video and say the words again. I would love for you to do that 3 times if you could. All right, and then you can proceed to the story. All right, so practicing. And her walk in the has on with she get off then his. I believe that's it. All right, so in this story, one of the vocabulary words is called or vocabulary phrase is slick red coat. So I wanted to show you a picture of what a slick red coat looks like. It's usually a coat that you wear in the rain. Sometimes people just wear them to look kind of fashionable, and you see there's a lot of shine on it. It's a different type of material, so water will, flow down it, not stick, absorb into it or stick to it. It'll flow downward, so that's why a lot of raincoats are made out of it. But that's a slick red coat. Okay, so next we're going to do the story, and we're going to do the beginning, middle, and end. Okay, here, let me get my pointer. This story is called Silly Dog. Sally and her dog walk in the rain. She has on a slick red coat with a hood. She gets to her warm house. She takes off her wet coat. Then her dog shakes his fur and splashes. Oh, I can't move this thing. Sorry. Hold on one second. Can I move it? I'll just wait for it to go away. Okay, sorry. And splashes her. Sorry. I gotta figure out the box and how to move it, but that'll be another day. All right. So after you're done, I hope you recognize the sight words that I picked out are in the story. So you could even go back and read it and maybe turn the sound down and see how much you could read on your own. Okay, like the little girl's name is Sally. Okay, but I think you could read all these words. Slick red coat is in here. Red is a word you probably already know. Okay, and house is another word, and dog, and the word shake, shakes his fur and splashes her. So those words may be a little bit trickier, but I bet you can read a lot of those words because I gave them to you earlier. All right, so after you're done, you want to draw the story and what happened. All right, today's writing prompt is inspired by the story. Would you rather walk in the rain or walk in the snow? So some people love to listen to the rain, and they find it really relaxing, especially, when they're laying in their bed and it's all dark out and it's raining and you can hear it and it just makes you relax. So some people would like to walk in the rain, get an umbrella and get their raincoat on and do all of that. And then some people would prefer to walk in the snow. I mean, personally, I would like to walk in the snow. So that's what I would probably write about because I like it when it's big fluffy snow and the temperature isn't too cold. So there's not a lot of wind and you're wearing your coat and you feel like you just look at how pretty the snow looks. So that's one I would pick. But I want you to pick, the one that you like. So for kindergarten, you want to write 2 sentences, and again, first grade, 6. Okay. Listening. All right, so this is the picture that you should have drawn from last time's listening activity. And so next one, we have like a little dock here. So it's really just a rectangle. If you look at it, and then with the little boards, okay, and then like have water around it, and you can just draw a circle around it. That's not a big deal. All right, and then when you're ready, you have that all set up. You are going to draw a codfish under the dock. Draw a girl standing on the dock. Draw a pod of peas in the girl's hand. Draw a boy whistling and nodding in the lower left corner. Draw a fishing rod in the boy's hand. Draw a boat near the dock. Draw a girl looking at a codfish in the boat. Color the picture. Okay, write a sentence about the picture. I just used the odd sound. So we had cod, pod, nod, rod. And a codfish, when you go to draw, you can just draw a fish. If you wanted to Google what a codfish really looks like, you can, but it's, you can just draw a fish. And then a pea pod, that's really where those little pieces of pea come from. And nodding is when you're saying yes, okay? And then there's a fishing rod, which we use to catch fish with. All right, I will be back. Today's Friday. I will be back on Tuesday. All right, see you later.